Apple is making a massive $500 billion investment, a move that could reshape the tech industry for years to come. This is one of the largest investments in corporate history, leaving many wondering, where is all this money going, and what does it mean for Apple's future? A significant portion of this investment is focused on artificial intelligence. Apple has been quietly working on integrating AI across its ecosystem, from major improvements to Siri to advanced AI-powered features in iPhones, iPads, and Macs. With competitors like Google and Microsoft leading the AI race, Apple is determined to catch up and potentially redefine the space. Some reports suggest that Apple is working on AI-driven features for iMessage, smarter automation in Mac OS, and even a personal AI assistant built into its hardware. Another major area of investment is manufacturing and supply chain expansion. Apple has long been dependent on China for production, but recent geopolitical tensions and supply chain disruptions have forced the company to rethink its strategy. A significant portion of this investment will go toward shifting production to countries like India, Vietnam, and even the United States. Apple is already expanding its manufacturing presence in India, where it has started producing newer iPhone models closer to launch dates. This move is not just about supply chain security, it's also about lowering costs and securing long-term growth while reducing risks from over-reliance on a single region. The company is also betting big on new product development. Apple is known for its innovation, and this investment could bring groundbreaking products to market over the next decade. Some reports suggest Apple is working on a next-generation foldable iPhone, which could compete with Samsung's foldable devices. The long-awaited Apple Vision Pro is expected to be just the beginning of Apple's augmented reality ambitions, with rumors of AR glasses in development. There's also speculation about Apple working on a fully AI-driven MacBook with no physical keyboard, relying entirely on a touch-sensitive surface and voice commands. A portion of the funds will also go toward renewable energy and sustainability efforts. Apple has committed to becoming carbon neutral by 2030, and a large part of this investment is directed toward clean energy, recycling technology, and greener production methods. Apple has already built one of the most energy-efficient data centers in the world, running entirely on renewable energy. By investing in cleaner production and reducing waste, Apple is aiming to position itself as a leader in sustainable technology. Beyond AI and manufacturing, Apple is also making strategic investments in services. The company's services division, which includes Apple Music, iCloud, and Apple TV+, has been growing rapidly. With this investment, Apple is likely to expand its streaming services, introduce new digital products, and further integrate AI into its software ecosystem. There's speculation that Apple could launch an AI-powered search engine to compete with Google or enhance its existing advertising platform. This massive $500 billion investment signals Apple's confidence in its future and its ability to lead the tech industry. By focusing on AI, manufacturing shifts, new product development, and sustainability, Apple is making bold moves to ensure long-term success. But will these investments pay off? Some experts believe Apple is making the right moves to stay ahead of the competition, while others worry about the risks of investing so much capital at once. Apple has had successes in the past, but not every product launch has gone smoothly. Just look at the challenges faced by the Vision Pro and the company's decision to cancel its electric car project. What do you think? Will this $500 billion investment make Apple stronger or create new challenges? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and business. Would you like any refinements before moving forward? Like, subscribe and share.